If you want to learn how to set up auto-response emails for form submissions in the easiest way possible and in under 3 minutes, stick around. I've tested all the popular tools and I'll show you the fastest method that just works. Plus, there's a free trial to the software I recommend linked below. It's exclusive to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check that out if you want to follow along. Let's dive right in. First, log into the software we'll be using. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the form you want to trigger an auto-response. Most form builders have a Settings or Automation tab. Click that. Look for an option that says Autoresponder, Confirmation Email, or something similar. If you don't see it right away, it's usually under either Form Actions or After Submission. Now click to create a new auto-response. The key things you'll want to customize here are the sender name, Len, so it doesn't look like spam, the subject line, make it clear and friendly, and the message body, which should confirm the submission and let the user know what to expect next. Here's a quick example you can copy. Subject, thanks for reaching out. Body, hi first name, thanks for submitting the form. We've received your info and will be in touch shortly. Best, your company name. You can also include extra details like a link to your calendar, next steps, or a free resource. Before saving, always preview the email and send yourself a test. Make sure everything looks right, especially the personalization tags like first name. If your platform supports conditional logic, you can also send different auto-responses based on the user's input. Super handy if you have multiple services or departments. Lastly, make sure the auto-response is enabled. A lot of people forget this one step and wonder why nothing's sending. And that's it. Your auto-response email is now live and ready to go whenever someone submits your form. So, what's the key takeaway? Setting up auto-response emails for form submissions is more than a courtesy. It builds instant trust, sets expectations, and shows that you're on top of things. And with the right software, it takes less than 3 minutes. Here's a quick recap. Log into your form builder. Go to Settings or Automation. Create a new auto-response. Customize the subject, message, and sender info. Test it and make sure it's turned on. Simple as that. Don't forget, if you want to follow along with the exact software I used, grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's only available to viewers of this channel and it'll save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.